numeric data type. So before now, we've established the fact that we have 6 data types in Python. We have the numeric data type, we have the string, we have the set, we have the tuple, and of course we have the dictionary data type. So today we are picking just the numeric data type, and we are going to look at the type of data that you see and you say, oh, this is a numeric data type. Okay, so under this numeric data type, we further have the integer. That is when you have a whole number, whether negative or positive. We'll have the floats, which involves decimal points, and we'll have the complex numbers, which involve imaginary numbers. Okay, so let's go into examples by declaring a variable. Here you can see we declare a variable a, and let's print the type of a to see the data type, the type of data that it is. Okay, so let's go again. Okay, so here we've printed the type of data, and you can see it's an integer. So a positive number, a whole number that is positive, is an integer data type. So let's go again. We are going to declare a variable. This time it's going to be a whole number with a negative sign. Let's say minus 200. Okay, so let's go ahead and print the type so that we can see the type of data it is. Okay, as you can see, it's still an integer. Okay, so whether negative or positive, so long as it's a whole number, it remains an integer. So the next one we are going to be looking at is the float data type. This time around, remember we said the float involves a decimal point, so we are having a decimal point here, so obviously it's going to be a float data type. All right, so that is it about float. So let's go to complex number. We're going to be declaring another variable, let's say d. Okay, alright, so our d is going to contain an imaginary number. Okay, so let's print the type of d. Please hit the subscribe button. Hit the subscribe button while the video is ongoing. So this the type is complex, so we have a complex data type here. Okay, so having seen the type of numeric data type so far, we can also perform some numerical operations using this data types. Okay, we can perform the addition, the subtraction, multiplication, division, and so many other operations in Python. Okay, so let's see what we have when you add two integers, say a and b. So obviously when you subtract 200 from 200, you're definitely going to be getting a 0 for an answer. Okay, and of course when you add an imaginary number or complex number to an integer, you should be having a complex number. So these are some of the operations you can perform using the numeric data type. So hit the subscribe button, turn on the notification bell so that you remain somewhere around this channel, as I'm going to be dropping updates on Python programming language and some other important programming languages, and most importantly, updates on tech. Thank you for watching. Peace out.